Let's look at how to set the combination on the Lewis & Clark combination lock. First, turn the dials to the factory preset combination of 000. Pull the shackle straight up and rotate 180 degrees. Firmly press the shackle down into the body of the lock, hold, and rotate an additional 90 degrees counterclockwise. Set the 3 dials to any combination you choose. Make sure each number appears clearly in its window. Remember your combination. Once the lock is set, there is no way to open it without the combination. Rotate the shackle clockwise and pull it out of the body of the lock. The lock is now ready to use. At any time, you may reset your combination. Repeat the instructions, only with your new combination instead of the factory preset.